So hello everyone, I'm back again. I wanted to share with you another device that I bought, the Samsung T7 portable external SSD drive. The reason I bought this is because I have an iMac from late 2015, and my iMac has 256 gigabytes of hard drive space, and I found it was not enough space to create these videos about nature and things that I've been creating. And so it would use the iMovie would use up all the space when I tried to create a 1080p video. It would use the entire hard drive, and then it would stall. Or it would create files that are not complete but separated into pieces. So I wanted to solve that problem. The only thing I could do was buy an external SSD drive. So I bought this Samsung T7. I chose it because of its performance. It's 1,050 megabytes per second read speed and 1,000 megabytes write speed, and it's USB 3.2 generation 2. As you can see here, a little blurry. So it comes with two cords. They act as power cords and the data transfer cords. One is USB-C to USB-C. The other is USB-A to USB-C, which is the port on the drive itself. So I wanted you to see this. This solved my problems, and I'll show you later in this video how to use iMovie and how to format this drive. So stay tuned. I'll show you how to do that next. Okay, everyone, once you connect your T7 Samsung drive, go up to View and Disk Utility. Select Show All Devices and View, then go down to the Samsung device at the upper level, and then go to click Erase. And click Erase, and you will see you can format it. You want to select, on the Format option, you want to select the APFS, Case Sensitive Encrypted, and that's the fourth one. Then you choose a password, and you'll be required to enter it twice. And after you've chosen a password, then you can choose a title for your drive. I just called mine T7. And then you click Erase, and it will format the drive for you as an encrypted format drive. Next, what you want to do is go to the iMovies menu. You want to select Open Library, then you want to select New. So you create that library on the Samsung T7 drive. It must be on that drive in order for making files for your movie to work. So you go to create new, select movie, select the library that created on the drive. Now you're all set to create movie files on that drive. So you go over to the T7 drive, and you select the files that you've stored there, and you drag those files back into iMovie. Now the files are there and the library is there, so all you need to do is start editing your files to create your movie, and that's all there is to it.